Yeah.
Today in our kitchen, we'll be making a very easy and delicious recipe of fried fish. This is going to be a crispy fried fish and it's really easy to make. You can see it looks very delicious. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, I've taken 2 hake fillets. You guys can take any fish of your favorite. You guys can use any fish. It will come out the same. I've taken hake fillets. Now I'm going to take them and I'm going to slice it into 2. You guys can cut it however you like, whichever shape you like. Some people also like to leave it as a big piece. So it's really up to you. I like to cut it this way. So firstly I'm going to cut it into 2. And I'm going to slice it into small squares. Just make sure the fish is frozen when you're slicing it, so it makes it easier. You guys can remove any unwanted part from the fish as well, but normally the one I buy is clean, so I don't have to remove much parts from it. I'm going to do the same for the second fillet. I'm going to cut it into small squares or into small pieces. And there we go. I've sliced it into small pieces. Now I'm going to take this and marinate it with the spices. Firstly, I've added some oil. I've added about 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm going to now add lemon juice. I prefer freshly squeezed lemon juice. It just always tastes better. You guys can use a bottled one also. I've also taken about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I'm going to add in my ginger garlic paste. This is very important as we're using the fish and it helps keep the fish smell really nice. I'm also adding in some coriander powder, a few chili flakes as well, and some salt. You guys can choose to leave out the chili flakes. I like to add it, just gives a very nice taste of it, and also some carom seeds. I'm going to mix this together so it becomes a nice paste. Now I'm going to take my fish masala also. You guys can choose any fish masala of your liking, whichever one you prefer. I've taken a Lahori fish masala. Now just mix this together and form a nice paste. Now I'm going to take a slice of fish and just gently rub the paste over the fish square. I'm going to apply the masala over the fish squares. I'm going to take each slice of the fish and apply the masala on top of it. So all the fish is really covered nicely with the masala. Just make sure the both sides are covered with it. Just do this for all of the fish till all of it's covered with masala. There we go, it's all covered with masala. I've taken all the fish squares and made sure both sides have masala on top of it. Now I'm going to cover it and leave it to marinate for about 2 to 3 hours. So after 3 hours my fish is marinated, and now I'm going to shallow fry it in a fry pan. Just gently add the fish on top of the pan. Add in all the pieces. And we're going to let it cook on a high speed for about 5 to 7 minutes for one side, and then we're going to turn it. You see, fish is very gentle, so we can't keep turning it around as it might break. So we're going to let the one side cook properly first. So after about 5 minutes, I'm going to turn it around and let the other side cook. You can see it's got a nice golden brown color. I like mine to be cooked like this. If you like it less golden, then you can leave it about 3 minutes. And there we go. I'm going to just turn it once, and then I'm going to remove it from the pan. You just have to be very gentle with the fish. And there we go, it's smelling delicious. That Lahori masala just has a great smell to it, and I can just smell the lemon juice also. We're just going to wait a couple of minutes and our fish is ready. There we go, it's turned brown on the other side as well. Now I'm going to remove it. And I'm going to add in the rest of the fish. We're going to do the same. Just add in all of it gently into the pan. Make sure the speed is a bit high so it cooks on one side properly. And again, I'm going to let one side cook properly first. While the fish is frying, don't turn and toss it but too much, or it will break into pieces. I'm not a fan of fish, but this fish is my favorite just because of the Lahori spice on it. It just tastes so amazing. I'm waiting for it to cook quickly so I can have it. It's almost cooked on one side. Now I'm going to turn it. You guys can see it's turned golden brown on the other side. Just turn it around gently. You guys can use a spatula or anything, whatever you guys are comfortable with. Just make sure the fish slices don't break. You guys can see it's so easy to make this delicious recipe of fish at home. There we go. And I'm going to let the other side cook about 5 minutes till I take it out from the pan. I'm just checking if it's turned completely golden brown the other sides. I'm just going to give it a minute. And there we go, it's cooked on the other side as well. And our fish is ready. And if some pieces need a bit more time, you guys can leave those. And there we go, it's ready. And there we have it, a very easy recipe of crispy fried fish. You can see it's got a nice golden brown color on it. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time.